The family spends a good deal of time in this room, and why not? It's a very comfortable room. In fact, we'd like to redecorate it, but we've got a bit of a problem. The carpet is damp, and when we pull it back, we find the wood beneath is beginning to rot. We've got a moisture problem. It's a problem indoors, but we can solve it from the great outdoors. Now, it could be that our drainage problem starts right here in this drain tile. It could be plugged up and water is backing out of it. It could also be that the gutter up above is plugged up and that's causing our problem. In either case, what we're going to do, it will solve the problem. We'll dig a trench along the house, adjacent to the house, and we're going to line it with this weed barrier type fabric. It's a woven polypropylene fabric, and it'll keep the soil from getting into our slotted drain tile. Water will always take the path of least resistance. It'll enter the drain tile and go out downhill. The first step is to start digging that trench. I only need to dig my trench about 6 or 8 inches deep and about 6 or 8 inches wide. And in the course of doing that, I've discovered 2 interesting things. The first is that someone has tried to fix this problem before by gluing a piece of plastic to the side of the house. I can tell you it's an idea that didn't work. The second thing I've discovered is that, as it is with many of my garden projects, they kind of escalate as you go along. I allotted about 2 hours for this job. I've got to move the iris bed. Now, once we've got the trench dug, we're going to line it with weed barrier. This is a woven polypropylene fabric, and it's going to keep the soil from underneath our pipe from getting inside the pipe and clogging it up. As we put it in, we're going to use companion pins. This is just a 14 gauge metal staple, if you will, that we can use to hold the weed barrier in place and keep it from blowing around and moving when we're filling this with gravel. The next step will be to take our slotted drain tile. It has slots all the way around it. We're going to put this on top of the weed barrier and then cover it with gravel. Now, as you can see, what we've done is dig the trench, line it with the weed barrier to keep the soil out of our drain pipe. We've got slotted tile and we've covered it with gravel. We most certainly don't want to cover the gravel with soil. The water will take the path of least resistance, and we want to offer it no resistance. Without soil on top of the gravel, any water that gets close to the house will flow directly through the gravel and enter the pipe through its slots. From this point, we've gone on down the hill with solid pipe, and we've teed in our downspout, just for convenience. What we've got here is a great solution to a problem on the indoors, and we've solved it from the great outdoors.